Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I just received my December Happie Scrappie kit, Hug in a Mug. It's gonna be so cute, guys. Oh my goodness, I have been so excited for this kit. And as always, I am subscribed to the sticker kit, which is a lot thinner as you can see, as well as the A5 planner kit. So, as usual, I am just gonna start with the sticker kit, and here is also my multiple subscriber freebie. So let's get this open. Okay, so this is the bonus deco sticker sheet on premium matte. Super cute, and I love all the colors. And I mean, this kit is probably gonna be one of my favorites that Sam has ever done. I'm just so excited for it. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So we have some smaller goodies here. Let's get them out, shall we? So this is the teeny weeny tiny mini kit that is included. So we have glitter headers with purple and pink, love it. We have some mini checklist, I think. Yes, I mean it even says, I don't even have to, I mean I can just read it. These are shopping lists. And this is clip boxes. They are so cute. Oh, I love this pattern that this one has. We'll see more of that, I'm sure. And these are deco headers. Super pretty. I love this one with the clouds. And here we have hydration tracker. And yeah, these are really, really cute. And they do include some stuff that is not included in the other kits. Like the glitter headers, which I really like. So, oh, we got some die cuts. It's been a while since we got die cuts, I feel like, but I love the die cuts from Happie Scrappie. They are printed on like a thicker kind of cardstock, semi-glossy, I would say. Oopsies. We have this unicorn cup that is adorable. It kind of looks like a kitty though, but I think it's supposed to be a unicorn. Super cute. We have a bear-themed cup that's pink. That's adorable. I love the size of these too. And we have the kitty mug with the scarf. Super cute. And let's see, we have this sheet here. So these are gorgeous. These are hollow foiled of that kind of, oopsies, unicorn mug that you see there. Oh, I love these. Sometimes she has a little too much like color or pattern, so the numbers are a little hard to see. But I love these day covers because they're actually, you can actually see, you know, the number, so it's clear. And I mean, not that the sticker's clear, but it's clear to see what it says. And I really like that. Usually I get this one in this kit as well, but I really don't mind because these are very functional, so I love having two. Oh my gosh, this is definitely new. So these are giant, like, deco stickers that you can put somewhere. I mean, I feel like you could almost punch them out and use... Yeah, you see, you can almost, like, get them out with the back, so use them as die cuts. I might actually do that, so I don't have to stick them down permanently. Color-wise, I think my favorites are these two. This is a kind of baby blue and baby pink, and this is a baby pink and kind of a minty green. This one with the blue and yellow is like the Swedish flag. Either way, so let's see here. Yes, here we have the rest of the stickers, and oh my goodness, this is the actual like kit, like the big kit. So here we have the half boxes and some functionals. The bottom washi, I love this. I used this in a recent plan with me. I think this is very functional. Ooh, look at those checklists with the unicorn mugs. That's so cute. And we have the day covers. I love this. This pattern with the stripes, I love so much. And this is a really good contrast to that, I think. And then we have these with the sticky notes. Lots of deco. I love the deco this month. I think it's so pretty. I feel like this is the exact same layout as last month. And I don't mind it. I like when they stick to the same so you kind of get to know the kits. And here are the headers. And here are the gorgeous hollow glitter foiled full boxes and deco half boxes, which I love those. Oh guys, these colors are calling my name. My goodness. They are so pretty. I love the pastels. Here it says Hug in a Mug. And we have the clouds, we have the unicorns and the kitty mugs. So cute. I love these so much. So yeah, that is awesome. And with this, so that was the sticker kit. Now let's get into the planner kit, which we have right here. All right, so I do think that they are starting to have themed envelopes to the kits. I really like that. And this is really pretty. Oh, look at those colors. So this envelope is like a rainbow ombre. Can you see that? And it also has hollow glitter. Once again, super cute with the mugs. So this is a lot thicker than the last one. So let's get it open. Oh, and there is the pen. So the pen of the month is this like clear gel pen, I think, where it's clear, but it has a ombre color, which this one is like a minty blue to a dark gray. But that's actually the color of the like refill. So if you change the refill, it's gonna look different, I think. But it's a needle point, just like that. So yes, usually these pens are really good from Happie Scrappie. It's also from M&G. That it's usually the brand of pens that she includes. This is something new. So this is actually a little accessory. Usually we don't get a lot of like stationery, you know, apart from the paper products and apart from the pen, of course. So this is actually a little pen pouch, and it's like a hollow, a purple hollow, which you can see. It's like very thin. It's very compact. And Sam actually said that she designed this so that you can put it like at the back of your planner if you want to. You can like kind of stuff it at the very back, and it fits a lot of different sizes. You can also punch holes in it so that you can use it almost like an insert, you know. I think that's really creative. I'm not really sure when or if or how I'm gonna use it yet, but I think it's something that's really good to have. So I'm really glad to have it, like I said. And I really like, once again, to have something new in the kit. So here we get into the rest of the goodies. Let's see. Okay, so whoa, here's all the sticker goodies. These are usually a lot of the same as the sticker kit. Okay, so we get these super cute unicorn mug tabs that you can use in your planner. And here we have the mini kit that kind of match, or this one matches here. So here we have the half boxes and quarter boxes. We have the checklists and some deco and sticky notes. These are so pretty. I love these colors, but it's a little hard to read, you know, with the pattern and the glitter foiling. So, I mean, I usually use headers the same way, so I don't really need to know what it says. I mean, I kind of know, you know, by heart what it says, but if you do want to read it, I feel like this one is really difficult, but it's super pretty. We also have some blank ones right here. And then we have some more tab stickers, and these are really cute, like mugs. And you can also write them or put something on there. I just love the colors in this kit. And once again, this one, which I was hoping to get again, so I really like that. Here we also have the skinny days of the week, or I guess day covers. I really like these because sometimes the skinny just fits better. I like that we get the thicker regular ones in the sticker kit and this one in the planner kit, because like Sam says, this kit is in a way like one fits all, and I do really like that because I like to try different things. And oh my gosh, that's right, so we actually get more stickers now in the planner kit. So these are the 4 boxes, super pretty. It's the same as the last one. And oh my goodness, we also get these again. Oh, I have to get these to use now. I feel like these are just too pretty. Okay, so let's see. These are the inserts for December, and I always thought these were just like dashboards, but these are supposed to be like insert covers. But they're printed on like a really thick cardstock with that kind of semi-glossy, or I guess it's matte, but it feels almost plasticky. It's not matte in the same way that the papers are. These are a lot more smooth. But we have like, you see the faux foiled, but it's different colors. It's little hearts with the clouds. I love this pattern so much. And that's the back of that. I do kind of wish that they weren't punched, because what if I wanted to have this side like as a dashboard? Or maybe that one was punched and the other was punched this way. So technically, if you have the inserts, you know, in between, it's natural to have it this way, kind of like a TN insert, you know? Or that they weren't punched at all. But I do really, really like the designs overall. There's a really big kitty mug on here. And here are the rest of... Ooh, yes! I am loving these inserts. I have recently actually finally started using my Happie Scrappie inserts. And I am a lister. I like to make lists. And this is absolutely perfect because we have what I'm guessing is like one row here of like Erin Condren width. So you can use the stickers from the kit in here, and you can have a bunch of lists here, or like, you know, a long list. So this is great. I think it's supposed to be a weekly insert, but I actually have like my weekly overview, and then I have this next to it. And I do love that it's the same on both sides. So I can mix this with my own design inserts that I have been doing recently. And I love, and we get a lot of it. So I was worried that she wasn't gonna do this style again, and that I would have to like buy more or find something else. But since I only use, as of now, this one per week, I have a lot of weeks, guys. This is perfect. Thank you so much, Sam. Please keep making these. And oh yay, we also get a pretty big bunch of dotted inserts, which are very functional too. They all have that really pretty border with the clouds and also the little kitty cup down here. And I do love this. Usually I don't love that, you know, it's too, I guess, decorated. Like we have the border, but because I love this design and the colors, I don't mind this time. I love the inserts, all of them this time. I have nothing bad to say about it at all. So great job, Sam. Okay, so last but not least, we have the papers, and this is always my favorite item. Just can't help it. I just love the papers and everything you can do with them. So, and once again, I think I always say this, but I love them because they are A5, or rather A4, you know, folded in half. So I usually use these for my A5 planner, and it makes it just so easy to cut it in half, and I automatically have, you know, the A5 sized insert that I need. So I love this pattern, and I love this with the bows. These are hollow foiled, super pretty. And I did skip this. Oh, mine's a little damaged. I don't know, maybe I can get that off. But this is actually also another new like stationery item. This kit is full of new stuff. I love it. I love it. So this is a like faux leather white. I don't know how you can see, but it's like embossed with that really cute kitty mug. And it's a pen loop. So you can put this in your planner. It's sticky on the other side. So very functional. I don't have any use for this one as of right now. Oh, I think I actually can get it off. Okay, that's good. So, but it's very good to have. I feel very happy that I will put this in my stash, and I'm sure I will use it someday. And then we have another one. I love this bow so much with the pink and the polka dots, and I also love this bow with the pink and white and yellow. But I love the whole thing, honestly, so much. Oh, okay, so here we have the super cute vellum, which have like glitter, hollow foiled little cups that we've seen before, but this time it's just outlined with, you know, stars all around. So cute. We also have this gorgeous one with the hollow bows. I love this one so much. If she still has it, I might have to pick up extras of this vellum because I love it so much. And here we have the second paper, which usually the papers are, you know, the design, and then we usually get the same design, but just the outline on the vellum. So this is, you know, the cup version. It's kind of galaxy themed almost. And the inside is this pattern, which I love so much. I love the papers. I love every single paper and each side so much. So I just think Sam did an outstanding job with this kit. It's gonna be one of my favorites ever. I am sure of it. And I can't wait to see what I create with it. I'm gonna have to come up with a perfect setup before I settle and actually start using it, but I know that I will, and hopefully someday soon, so yeah. Alright guys, so that was everything for this video, the December Hug in a Mug Happie Scrappie kit. Like I said, one of my very favorite kits that Sam of Happie Scrappie has ever made. I love the style, I love the pastel colors, I love just everything included. It's so functional, and I love the new items like the pouch and the pen loop, and I just love how Sam keeps evolving and changing things, and for me, for the better. So I love this so much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!